In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track coffee in MyFitnessPal. This process is quite simple and will help you stay on top of your nutritional goals. Whether you're monitoring your caffeine intake or just want to keep an eye on your calories, I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. First, open the MyFitnessPal app. You will see the home screen with a clean layout. This is the starting point for tracking your food and beverages. The app is designed to make tracking your intake straightforward, so don't worry if you are new to it. Once you're on the main screen, you'll have access to all the features you need to log your coffee. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything else you will do. Next, navigate to the diary. You can find this option typically located at the bottom of the screen. The diary is where you log everything you eat and drink throughout the day. Tapping here will take you to a screen where you can see your daily entries and any remaining calories. This is important because it allows you to keep track of your nutritional goals in real time. Once you're in the diary, you are ready to add your coffee. Now tap Add Food under breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. You can choose any meal category that suits your routine. However, many people prefer to log their coffee under breakfast, especially if they drink it in the morning. This action opens up a new screen where you can search for the items you want to add. It's a straightforward process, and soon you'll be logging your coffee seamlessly. From here, search for coffee first. In the search bar, type in coffee and you will see a list of options pop up. You might notice different types of coffee such as brewed, espresso, or even specific brands. This is great because it allows you to be as accurate as possible. Choosing the right type of coffee ensures that you're tracking the right nutritional information. Once you find the right coffee, you're just a few taps away from logging it. Next, from the results, tap the item, select your serving size, enter the number of servings, and tap the check mark to log it. This step is vital as it ensures that the correct amount of coffee is recorded. The serving size can vary, so make sure to choose the option that reflects how much coffee you typically drink. After entering the number of servings, tapping the check mark will confirm your entry. You'll see a quick confirmation, which means your coffee is successfully logged. Finally, repeat this for both milk or creamer and sugar if you use any. If you add these items to your coffee, it's essential to log them separately. This practice provides a complete picture of your coffee intake and its nutritional impact. Each component contributes to your overall calorie count and nutritional values. Remember, being thorough in logging these extras will help you stay on track with your goals. By following these steps, you will have accurately logged your coffee in MyFitnessPal. Tracking your beverages, especially coffee, helps you maintain a balanced diet. With just a few taps, you can keep your food diary updated and ensure you're meeting your health objectives. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.